Have you ever wondered if you could build an entire YouTube automation team for less than 50 bucks? What if I told you that's not just possible, but I'm about to show you exactly how to do it using nothing but artificial intelligence. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know how to generate unlimited video ideas, write compelling scripts, create eye-catching thumbnails, and optimize everything for maximum views without breaking the bank. Let me introduce you to the $47 challenge. This isn't about spending thousands on expensive software or hiring a team of freelancers. Instead, we're going to leverage the power of TubeMargic AI to handle every single aspect of your YouTube content creation process. And yes, we're doing this all for under $50. First, let's talk about why this approach is revolutionary. Traditional YouTube automation can cost hundreds or even thousands per month when you factor in scriptwriters, thumbnail designers, SEO specialists, and video editors. But artificial intelligence has completely changed the game. With the right tools, you can now accomplish in minutes what used to take hours of human labor. TubeMargic AI is structured around three core phases that mirror the natural workflow of successful YouTubers. Phase 1 is ideation, where you generate endless video concepts. Phase 2 covers scripting, turning those ideas into compelling narratives. Phase 3 handles optimization, ensuring your content gets discovered by the right audience. This systematic approach eliminates guesswork and creates a predictable content pipeline. The video ideas feature is where magic begins. Simply input any channel handle, whether it's your own or a successful channel in your niche, and watch as unlimited video concepts appear before your eyes. The beauty lies in the variety. You're not getting generic suggestions, but rather ideas specifically tailored to what's already working in your space. This eliminates the painful brainstorming sessions that often leave creators staring at blank screens. What makes this even more powerful is the ability to analyze multiple channels simultaneously. You can study your top competitors, identify trending topics, and spot content gaps all within minutes. Every idea gets automatically saved in your logs, creating a growing database of content possibilities you can revisit whenever inspiration runs dry. Moving into the scripting phase, TubeMargic offers 4 distinct templates that cater to different content styles. The general script template works perfectly for most YouTube videos, allowing you to adjust word count based on your desired video length. 800 words typically equals about 5 minutes of content, while 1,500 words stretches to roughly 10 minutes. This precision helps you plan content duration with mathematical accuracy. The Shorts template specifically crafts scripts under 60 seconds, perfect for capitalizing on the explosive growth of short-form content. Meanwhile, the How-To template structures everything in clear, step-by-step formats that viewers love to follow. But my personal favorite is the script outline feature. Rather than providing complete scripts, it delivers organized bullet points that serve as your content roadmap. This outline approach offers incredible flexibility. You get the structural framework without being locked into specific phrasing, allowing your personality to shine through while maintaining logical flow. The tool provides hooks, main content points, and outro suggestions, essentially giving you a professional content blueprint in seconds. The Warp Upload feature represents the optimization phase and showcases TubeMargic's most impressive capabilities. This tool can analyze any video URL, even unlisted uploads, and automatically generate optimized titles, descriptions, and tags. The process involves transcribing your entire video, tapping into YouTube's API for competitive data, and crafting SEO-optimized metadata that helps your content get discovered. What's remarkable is how quickly this happens. Within seconds, you receive multiple title variations, comprehensive descriptions, and targeted tags based on what's actually working in your niche. The tool even allows thumbnail preview uploads so you can see exactly how different titles will look alongside your visual content. The tag generation deserves special attention because it goes beyond simple keyword stuffing. TubeMargic analyzes successful videos in your niche and identifies the specific tags driving their performance. This competitive intelligence helps your content appear in suggested video feeds and search results where your target audience is already engaged. But here's where the $47 budget really shines. Traditional keyword research tools charge monthly fees that quickly add up. Hiring freelancers for script writing, thumbnail design, and SEO optimization can cost hundreds per video. TubeMargic consolidates all these services into one affordable package, delivering professional quality results at a fraction of traditional costs. The upcoming features make this investment even more compelling. Video research capabilities will allow you to input any keyword and receive comprehensive data about top-performing content in that space. You'll see view counts, upload dates, channel sizes, and engagement metrics, essentially getting a complete competitive landscape analysis for any topic you're considering. Keyword research functionality will provide search volume data, competition scores, and something called the Magic Score that automatically weighs these factors to identify the best opportunities. This eliminates guesswork from topic selection and helps you focus efforts on content with genuine audience demand. The community aspect adds tremendous value through their Facebook group and feedback system. Users can vote on upcoming features, suggest improvements, and share success stories. This collaborative environment ensures the platform continues evolving based on real user needs rather than developer assumptions. For those interested in monetization beyond their own channels, TubeMargic offers a 50% recurring commission affiliate program. This means you can potentially recover your initial investment while helping other creators discover these powerful tools. Starting your $47 challenge is straightforward. Sign up for TubeMargic, begin with their Video Ideas feature to build your content pipeline, use the scripting tools to create compelling narratives, and leverage the optimization features to maximize discoverability. The key is treating this as a complete system rather than individual tools. Success with this approach requires consistency and strategic thinking. Generate ideas in batches, create script outlines for multiple videos at once, and use the optimization features to ensure every piece of content has the best possible chance of success. The artificial intelligence handles the heavy lifting, but your creativity and audience understanding drive the results. The $47 challenge isn't just about budget constraints. It's about proving that smart creators can build professional quality content systems without massive financial investments. By leveraging artificial intelligence effectively, you're positioning yourself at the forefront of content creation evolution while keeping costs minimal and results maximum.